Let's go.
But her baby died during the night.
Her baby died during the night.
Mntanakhe wafa ebusuku.
When she rolled over on it. 20. Then she got up in the night and took my son from beside me while I was asleep.
Took my son beside while I was asleep.
Wathatha indodana yami ngisalele.
Let's go.
She laid her dead child in my arms and took mine to sleep beside
Why
her.
was there no connection between the child and the mother?
Bekungekho uqhumana phakathi komntwana nomama.
Why bekungana connection between umntwana nomama? Baze bakhipha omunye umntwana baletha ofile. It's a miscarriage born.
Ngilahlekelwe ukuphunyuka kuyazalwa.
Survived 9 months in the womb but dead.
Usindile
Outside the womb.
Kodwa ufile ngaphandle kwesibeletho.
Oh, come on. Dead outside the womb.
Ufile ngaphandle kwesibeletho.
Let's go.
She laid her dead child in my arms and took mine to sleep.
Because the
beside
child
her.
is dead. She was supposed to feel that coldness.
Bekufanele awuzwe lokubanda.
But she couldn't feel it.
Kodwa zange
She
akuzwe.
kept on sleeping.
Uyasoloka lele.
Sleeping. There's no care because she's not carrying
Akunakhathalelo
the spirit of life. So she cannot see
awukhona ukubona.
where life has departed.
Lapho impilo ingasekho khona.
Meaning she's able to even utagona nento ezifile. I pray that God helps you today.
Khuleka ukuthi uNkulunkulu angisize.
Ukhona nokugona into efile angayizi ukuthi ifile. Is it too much? Maruzile mos. Ngwana uzile esontweni. Kuyababa ne? Umgonile marufile. Into efile ayikwazi ukuzwa into efile. If you are carried by the spirit of life, the Holy Spirit, any dead thing that comes close to you, because you are able to care, it must resurrect. So the matter there was not about the dead child. It was about who is a mother, who can resurrect, who can raise dead things, who can take care of life, who can take care of dead things and bring them back to life. The order of the day there, it was not about 2 dead children. It was about who's the mother, who has lost being a prostitute, who has lost being a woman, and has entered being a mother. The spirit in you, what you carry, is what gives life. Who's carrying you as a mother? Who carries you through pain? Who carries you when you go through trouble? Who carries you when your children are disobedient? Do you abort? Do you miscarry? Or you give life? Some people are watching miscarriage growing. Let's go.
21. And in the morning, when I tried to nurse my son,
Yes. When I try to nurse, nursing is not carrying. That's why when I'm a nurse, or nurse our carry. Because they are not carried. What they are doing is a career. A career does not carry you. But the Holy Spirit carries you, not to operate with a career, but to operate with care. They are busy nursing in the hospital, but they are not caring. So she says, when I was busy nursing, it's a career.
Ngisifundo sakhe.
Anyone who's doing a career,
Noma ngabe ubani owenza
you are not
ngesifundo
carried
sakhe.
by your career. You are the one who's carrying the career.
Nguwe
But
ophethe
as a
izifundo zakhe.
mother, you are carried
Kodwa njengomama
by the Holy
uthwele
Spirit. It's not a
umoya
career.
ongcwele, akusiyisifundo.
It's not a career.
Akusiyisifundo.
So many mothers are busy nursing.
Abomama abaningi bayahlenga.
They are busy doing what? Nursing.
Bayahlenga.
Bayazi ibhodlela ngalesikhathi lesi ukudla ngalesi. It's nursing
Ukuhlenga
without care.
ngaphandle kothando.
See how quiet it is. I love it when it's like this. Meaning, it's hitting the conscious.
Shaya members.
Busy nursing a child
Hlenga umntwana
without caring
ngaphandle
for the
kothando.
child.
Thanda lo mntwana.
To care
Ukuthanda
is produced by being carried.
kukhicizwa
You cannot care
ukuthwala.
without being carried.
Awukwazi ukuthanda
But
ngaphandle
you
kokuthi
can do a
uthwalwe.
career
Kodwa wena ungawenza ifundo
without being carried.
ngaphandle kokuthi uthwalwe.
And it's called nursing.
Bese kubizwa ngokuhlenga.
Is it too much? Okay. Okay. God will help you. Let's go. Repeat and go on.
And in the morning, when I tried to nurse my son,
In the morning, the whole night she was asleep.
Usuku bonke bekalele.
Shuthi isidumbu. Singathatha ubusuku bonke until ekuseni ungasivi ukuthi kunesidumbu la. Many mothers are sleeping
Abomama abaningi balele.
and the enemy is busy
Isitha naso semsebenzini.
killing babies,
Bulala abantwana.
causing miscarriages.
Kuyenza ukuthi abantu baphunyukelwe.
Let's go.
and in the morning, when I tried to nurse my son,
When I tried, you see, I tried to
Ngizama.
nurse.
Ngizama.
It's a career. It's not in her nature.
Awukho
When I
endleleni yakhe.
tried to nurse,
Mangizama ukuhlenga.
caring is not trying.
Ukuthanda
It's in your
kusukuzama.
nature. It lives in you.
Kusendalweni yakho kuphila phakathi kwakho.
It lives in you
Phila phakathi kwakho
because you care.
ngoba unothando.
I cannot care for you without caring you.
Angikwazi ukuthanda ngaphandle kokuthi ngithwale.
So if I say to you, I care for you,
Uma ngabe ngithi kuwe ngiyakuthanda,
am I able to carry you?
ngabe ngiyakhona ukukuthwala na?
Look at your child and say, my miscarriage, you are not going to be a miscarriage anymore. Now I'm going to carry you.
Manje ke ngizokuthwala.
I'm so proud. I'm miscarriage, mara na a miscarriage. Now a miscarriage is there. Now we are able out of order. Oh, you've never had such a message, ne? Don't worry, the Holy Spirit.
Moya ongcwele
This is what it does.
yiloko okwenzayo.
If you are taught by the Holy Spirit,
Mawufundiswa umoya ongcwele.
there's no teaching that needs gender.
Asikho isifundiso esidinga
No,
ubulili.
because mama kumele kushumayele umama. You can preach, but you are not carried.
Ungashumayela kodwa ungathwalwanga.
You might be preaching as a nurse,
Yenze uyashumela
not as a
njengomhlengikazi.
caregiver. A caregiver
Umkhathaleli
is able to carry. When you preach to people, you carry them in you.
Abantu bathwala
You
kuwe.
put them in you.
Beka phakathi kwakho.
So you will not be preaching to them without carrying them.
Ngeke uze ubashumele
So if I
abantu ukuthi
preach to you, I must carry you. I must measure you. I must put you inside me
Fanele ngifake phakathi kwami
so that I can protect you.
ukuze ngizokuvikela.
Not protecting you from outside, but from
Angivikeli
within.
ngaphandle kodwa ngaphakathi.
So anything that comes against you, it must first come to me because I carry you as a mother. I carry you as my child.
Njengomntwanami.
You cannot protect something that is not in you.
Ukwazi ukuvikela into engekho phakathi
True
kwakho.
protection happens when you carry
Ukuvikela
something.
kweqiniso kwenzeka uma induthweni.
If I must protect you, I must carry you.
Uma ngabe fanele ngikuvikele fanele ngithwale.
So many
Abaningi
are busy nursing
bayahlela
It's a career.
isifundo.
There's a difference between a
No, mehluko.
caregiver and a nurse.
Phakathi kothandayo
That's why
nomhlengikazi.
caregivers are very rare.
Yingakho abanothando
Go to the hospital.
bayinkosana, hambe
It's
ey'bhedlela.
full of nurses.
Kugcwele
But
abahlengikazi
caregivers,
kodwa la abanothando
they are very rare.
bancane bayinkosana
Because to them, it's not a career.
ngoba ikibo akusiyisifundo,
It's their nature.
yindalo yabo.
They are carried by care.
Baphethwe
Wherever they go,
uthando.
they care for
Noma
people.
ngabe kuphi la baya khona,
They don't
bayabathanda,
get tired.
bayanakekela, bakhathale.
Abaphela inhliziyo. Awuyahlupha wena, eh? They care.
Banothando,
Upitshikile, they care.
banothando.
Bakusula igazi upitshikile. Ukakile, they care. But a nurse will
Kodwa
complain and say,
umhlengikazi
sis,
uzobalabalisa.
a nurse will complain and say, sis.
Umhlengikazi uzobalabalisa athi sis.
But a caregiver,
Kodwa unothando, unakekelayo.
driven by what is within her,
Agqugquzelwe yilokhu phakathi
The heart.
kwakhe. Inhliziyo
carried by love.
aphethwe uthando.
I must care for this person.
Uthi fanele
It's not a
ngimkhathalele.
career. I'm like this.
Akusiyisiko
I
kodwa
chose
ngimkhathalele.
this job.
Niwukhethile lo
It did not
msebenzi.
choose me.
Azange ukhethe mina.
I chose this job.
Ukhethile lo
If I
msebenzi.
choose the job,
Uma ngabe ngikhethe
it means
umsebenzi,
I carried the job first
kusho ukuthi ngiwuthwalile lo msebenzi kuqala
before the job carries me.
ngaphambi kokuba umsebenzi uthwale mina.
You cannot protect what you are not carrying.
Awukwazi ukuvikela lokho ongakakuthwali.
If you truly love a person
Uma ngabe uthanda umuntu
and you
ngokweqiniso,
care for them,
bese uyabanakekela,
carry them
ubakhathalele,
first.
bathwale kuqala.
Bathwale kuqala. Ungathi uthanda abantu ungakabathwalanga kuqala. Carry them first.
Bathwale kuqala.
Let them enter inside you.
Mabangene phakathi kwakho.
Let them be joined to you from within.
Mabahlanganiswe nawe kusuka ngaphakathi.
That's how you will feel my
Yindlela
child
ozozwa ngayo.
is dead.
Uthi umntwana wami sekafile.
Awuvuswa ukuthi sekusile. Uvuswa ukufa okuzwayo eceleni kwakho. Many women abakhona ukukuzwa ukufa nasakungena endlini. Many women abakuzwa ukufa nasakungena endlini. Bakugona. Kunabantu abaku relationship nokufa. Bakugonile so ukufa. Bahamba nawo. Abakhona ukuzwa ukuthi lento ifile le. Is it too much? Hamba ugona into ezifile. When you carry the spirit of a mother in you,
Uma ngabe uthwele umoya wobumama phakathi
you
kwakho,
can quickly discern miscarriage.
uyashesha ukuzwelela ukulahlekela noma ukuphunyukela.
You can quickly see that this is miscarriage.
Uyashesha ubone ukuthi lapha
This is
sengikuyekela.
death.
Lokhu kufa.
Uyavuka ulinde ukuthi kuse. You wake up
Yavuka.
and awuvuswa ukuthi umzimba soyabanda. Uvuswa ukuthi uzwile ukuthi kunomoya ophumile.